Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Cheburkov Small Strisz here with me for a quick unboxing and review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content because this is a pretty cool one, I think, guys. When you unbox this black box with some Russian writings on top, you're welcomed with this nice plastic card with all the details, all the informations. You can actually pause the video and use your Google Translate app to see what is going on right over here and over here. And then you're welcomed with this foamy insert for the box, and that's it. And this is the knife. This is a very sweet little knife, 100%. Let's see how big this guy is, because it's not a big one. It's 7.5 inches overall length with a 3.25 cutting edge and roughly like 4.2 inch long handle. Really cool knife made in Russia. It's a liner lock, carbon fiber scales, beautifully done, nicely contoured, nicely chamfered. You've got titanium backspacer going on with these 3 grooves aligning with the titanium, with these grooves over here on the titanium pocket clip. Nicely milled, good tension to it, and I mean, thumb stud opening. You have a Damascus rust resistant blade, nice drop point, beautifully chamfered on the spine, nice jimping going on. The thumb stud is beautifully done. I like this subdued Damasteel pattern etched. Maybe I would have preferred a little bit more contrasty, but it's nice. It's nicely done. This guy has, I would say, 50% belly and then straight edge up to the sharpening choil, full flat grind, slicing like crazy. Look how thin behind the edge this guy is. You've got 2019 February marking right over here in the polished tang. Nice cutout here for the release of your liner lock right there. Blade is perfectly centered. The sound, it's nice, guys. It's really cool. And this guy's gonna weigh in at 2.4 ounces, so it's a beauty to carry. It's fantastically light. You've got a very nice grip, 0 hot spots, and I mean, the action is absolutely smooth. This is honestly, this is better than the Sebenza. This is running on phosphorus bronze washers, but look at the creaminess of the closing action, guys. This is insane. It's fantastic. It's so good. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.